One of the best features of EasyVid Wikimaker is the ability to include screen captures and recordings using the Wikimaker Capture browser extension. You can add images, show activity on web pages, and even demonstrate step-by-step instructions for how-to guides. The desktop version of Wikimaker Capture expands on this functionality with the ability to capture and record your entire screen. There are versions for both Windows and Mac, but here we'll demonstrate some of the features in the Windows version. To download it, go to wikimaker.easyvid.com and click Capture at the top of the screen. Select the Windows version and run the installer. When it's ready, you can click the icon on your desktop to start the program. You don't need to have Wikimaker open in your browser to make captures and recordings. When you log in using your Wikimaker account, you can choose which project to capture for. Using the simple keyboard shortcuts, you can either capture or record your entire screen. With screen captures, you can crop and resize them to show a larger area than with the browser version. You can also draw on your images in a variety of different colors, either freehand or using borders and filled shapes. You can even insert arrows to draw attention to the primary focus of your video. You can resize your capture at any time by clicking Select, then go back and edit your drawings. You can also clear the drawings, or erase only part of them if you make a mistake. If you decide that you don't like your image, you can cancel it and try again until you get it perfect. When you're satisfied with your creation, simply click on the icon and it will be uploaded to the wiki you've selected, where it will appear in the Ready section, at which point you can link it to a word in your video. Because you don't have to have Wikimaker open, you can include the tabs of your web browser in your content and only show what you want your audience to see. You can also upload files using the drag and drop feature without having to go to the trouble of navigating to Wikimaker until you're ready to use them. Since starting recording is done using a simple keyboard shortcut, you can have your mouse ready where you want it, and the process will start immediately with no lag time. Stop the recording by clicking the icon or using the Save shortcut. You can draw on your videos to add emphasis in the same way that you did with screen captures, so your audience will know what to watch for. Being able to show multiple tabs in a recording means that the viewer can follow along as you navigate to different pages. This is great for demonstrating research, as well as for showing the exact steps in a how-to guide. And since your browser isn't necessary, you can even demonstrate tasks performed in other programs, which is useful for teaching a reader how to do something in Windows. It's also possible to record your screen during video games to show clips that will support the thesis of your project. With the simple drag and drop feature, you can add photo or video files from your computer. Videos that aren't screen recordings can make your wiki more entertaining and explain your subject matter better. You can even use your own photos to demonstrate techniques that don't rely on the internet, expanding the number of topics for which Wikimaker can provide an advantage. Since Wikimaker allows you to select the starting frame of your recording within your video project, you can choose the best moments or cut out the beginning. So even if you have to start recording before running other media, the clip can begin seamlessly from the moment your desired content first appears. There are no more limits to the types of visuals you can use. Anything you can do on your computer or film in real life, you can now include in your wikis. It's easy to switch between projects by clicking Choose Another Wiki for capturing. This makes it simple to work on more than one wiki at a time. Teachers or professors assigning projects for their students to be completed in Wikimaker can create a sample project along with a how-to video that shows each step that students are to complete, which should help cut down on confusion over what is expected of them. They can watch your example, then see how you created it. Now that you can easily resize images, add drawings and other content to focus your viewers' attention, record across multiple tabs, and create screen recordings in other programs using simple commands, Wikimaker Capture for Windows has expanded the capability of EasyVid Wikimaker while simultaneously making it easier to use. Whether you're an educator, student, or simply looking for the easiest way to create multimedia content for the web, this free service continues to improve.